Very good morning, friends. Today I'll continue application of derivative. First we'll do both type of problems and then we'll go to what multiple choice MCQs. So let us start application of derivative. Geometrical interpretation of derivative. That means geometrically what did, and then physical also interpretation of derivative, and then we'll go to what problems based on them, and later on we'll go to what approximation, and then we'll go to what Lagrange mean value theorem and Rolle's mean value theorem, Rolle's theorem, and after that we'll go to what increasing and decreasing functions, then maxima and minima. That will complete application of derivative. So let us start geometrical interpretation of derivative. Geometrical interpretation means, what do you mean by derivative geometrically? Let y is equal to fx. Be any curve. Now what do you mean by y is equal to fx be any curve? Y is equal to fx means y coordinate of any point on the curve is expressed in terms of x coordinate. This is one meaning. Second meaning is what y is a function of x. Let me draw the diagram. This is y is equal to fx. Let P A comma FA, because when x coordinate is A, corresponding y coordinate is what? FA. And Q after some times there is increment in its x coordinate. Q is what? A plus h. Comma f of A plus h. Be two points on this curve. When x coordinate is A, corresponding y coordinate is what? FA. When x coordinate is A plus h, corresponding y coordinate will be f of A plus h. See here. This is x coordinate A. After some times there will be increment in its x coordinate. So that increment I am taking as what? H. So corresponding y coordinate will be f of A plus h. Join P and Q. So PQ is chord. Let y square fx be any curve. Let P A comma FA and Q A plus h comma f of A plus h be two points on this curve. Therefore, slope of chord PQ is what? Difference in y coordinate f of a plus h minus f of a upon corresponding difference in x coordinate a plus h minus a, which will give you f of a plus h minus fa upon h. Tangent at point P is the limiting value of chord PQ as Q tends to P along the curve. Tangent at P is what? Limiting value of chord PQ as Q approaches to P along the curve. So whenever tangent is limiting value of chord PQ, slope of tangent at P will be limiting value of chord PQ, of slope of chord PQ. Limiting value of slope of chord PQ as Q tends to P along the curve. Now when can you say that Q approaches to P? Q approaches to P, then x coordinate of Q approaches to x coordinate of P, and y coordinate of Q approaches to y coordinate of P. Now x coordinate of Q is what? A plus h approaches to x coordinate of P, that is A. Therefore h approaches to 0. Therefore slope of tangent at P is limiting value of slope of chord PQ as Q approaches to P along the curve. See, there are two ways to Q to become P. One is along the segment. When Q will approach to P along this chord, then it will be a line which is what? Secant line. To get tangent line, it should approach to P along this curve. Now you know Q approaches to P means H approaches to 0. And slope of chord PQ is what? F of A plus H minus F of A upon H. And this is nothing but first principle of derivative, F dash A. And F dash A is what? it is f dash x when x is a. Whenever x is a, corresponding y coordinate is fa. A and fa means point P. And f dash x is what? Dy by dx. At point P. So slope of tangent at P is what? It is dy by dx at P. Therefore, geometrical meaning of derivative is slope of tangent, that is, slope is also known as gradient. Gradient of curve. Next is, according to physics, what is meaning of derivative? Now all of you know velocity. Velocity is what? Rate of change of displacement s with respect to time t. And it is written as ds by dt. What is acceleration? Acceleration is what? Rate of change of velocity v with respect to time t. Which is dv by dt. Therefore, what is dy by dx? Rate of change of y with respect to x. So according to physics, the meaning of derivative is what? Rate of change. Now we'll start problems based on this. Problems. Confidence. Right. Okay, let us solve problems. First problem is what? Find equations of tangent and normals to the curve at the point against it. Consider y is equal to x square plus 2e raised to x plus 2. Differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is what? 2x plus 2e raised to x. Therefore, slope of tangent, in short we write TGT as tangent, at 0, 4 is equal to dy by dx at 0, 4. 2 into 0 plus 2e raised to 0. Now we got slope, therefore equation of tangent in slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Therefore, y minus y1 is what? 4. Slope we got 2 into x minus 0. So y minus 4 is what? 2x. So 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation of tangent. Since slope of tangent at 0, 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, slope of normal at 0, 4 is what? Minus 1 upon 2. Equation of normal in slope point form is y minus 4 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So 2y minus 8. So x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Second one is, since x cube plus y cube minus 9xy is equal to 0. Differentiating with respect to x, we get 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx minus 9 into x dy by dx plus y, derivative of x is 1, is equal to 0. So 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx minus 9x minus 9y. 3 y square minus 3x dy by dx common is equal to 3 common 3y minus x square. So dy by dx is what? 3 will get cancelled. So 3y minus x square upon y square minus 3x. Therefore, slope of tangent at 2, 4 is equal to dy by dx at 2, 4, 3 into 4 minus 2 square upon 4 square minus y square dy by dx minus. So 4 square minus 3 into 2. 12 minus 4 is what? 8. 16 minus 6 is what? 10. 4 by 5. Therefore, equation of tangent in slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to n into bracket y minus 4 is equal to 4 by 5 into x minus 2. So 5y minus 20, 4x minus 8. So 4x minus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. This is equation of tangent. Since slope of tangent at 2, 4 is equal to 4 by 5. Therefore, slope of normal at 2, 4 will be what? Minus 5 by 4. Therefore, equation of normal in slope point form is y minus 4 minus 5 by 4 into x minus 2. So 4y minus 16 minus 5x plus 10. So 5x plus 4y is equal to 26. This is equation of normal. Next is x square minus since x square minus root 3 xy plus 2y square is equal to 5. Differentiating with respect to x. 2x minus root 3 x dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus 4y dy by dx is equal to 0. 2x minus root 3x dy by dx minus root 3y plus 4y. Collect dy by dx together. So 4y minus root 3x. dy by dx common. Transfer non-dy by dx on that side. So root 3y minus 2x. So dy by dx is what? Root 3y minus 2x upon 4y minus root 3x. So slope of tangent at root 3 comma 2 is equal to dy by dx at root 3 comma 2 will give you root 3 into 2 minus 2 into root 3 upon 8 0.5 0. Slope of tangent is 0. Since slope of tangent at root 3 2 is 0, therefore tangent at root 3 comma 2 will be parallel to x-axis. Any line which is parallel to x-axis has equation y is equal to 2. Therefore, equation of tangent will be y is equal to 2. Since slope of tangent at is 0, therefore slope of normal at root 3 comma 2 is not defined. Now slope of y-axis and line parallel to y-axis is not defined. Therefore, normal will be parallel to y-axis. Therefore, equation of normal will be x is equal to root 3. To xy plus pi sin y is equal to 2 pi. Since 2xy plus pi sin y differentiating with respect to x, 2 into x dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus pi cos y dy by dx is equal to 0. So 2x dy by dx plus 2y plus pi cos y therefore 2x plus pi cos y dy by dx common is equal to minus 2y. So dy by dx is what? Minus 2y upon 2x plus pi cos y. Therefore, slope of tangent at 1 comma pi by 2 is equal to dy by dx at 1 comma pi by 2. Replace y as what? Pi by 2. So minus 2 into pi by 2 upon 2 into 1 plus pi into cos pi by 2. But cos pi by 2 is what? 0. So minus pi upon 2 plus 0. This is slope of tangent. Therefore, equation of tangent in slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. So y minus pi by 2 is equal to minus pi by 2 into x minus 1. So y minus pi by 2 is equal to minus pi by 2x plus pi by d. Multiply through by 2, so 2y minus pi is equal to minus pi x plus pi. Pi x plus 2y is equal to 2 pi. Since slope of tangent at 1 comma pi by 2 is equal to minus pi by 2. Therefore, slope of normal at 1 comma pi by 2 2 upon pi. Therefore, equation of normal in slope point form is y minus y1 is what? Pi by 2, 2 upon pi into x minus 1. Multiply through it by 2 pi. So here you will get 2 pi y minus pi square. 2 will get multiplied here. 4x minus 2. So 4x minus 2 pi y plus pi square minus. This is equation of normal. Next is x sine 2y is equal to y cos 2x. Y cos 2x. Differentiating with respect to x. X derivative of sine 2y is what? 2 cos 2y dy by dx plus sine 2y into derivative of x is 1 is equal to y into derivative of cos 2x is what? Minus 2 sine 2x plus cos 2x into dy by dx. Collect dy by dx terms together. 2x cos 2y dy by dx minus cos 2x dy by dx is equal to minus 2y sine 2x minus sine 2y. Two x cos 2y minus cos 2x dy by dx is equal to minus common 2y sine 2x plus sine 2y. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2y sine 2x plus sine 2y upon 2x cos 2y minus cos 2x. So slope of tangent at pi by 4 comma pi by 2 is equal to dy by dx at pi by 4 comma pi by 2. Now 2 into pi by 2 is what? Pi, and sine pi by 2 is 1. So minus is there. Pi into 1 is what? Pi. Sine 2 into sine pi is what? 0. Divided by, replace here. 2 into pi by 4 is what? Pi by 2. Cos 2 into pi by 2 is what? Pi. So minus pi by 2 into pi by 4 is what? Pi by 2. And cos pi is what? Minus 1. And cos 2 into pi by 4. Cos pi by 2 is what? 0. Pi will get cancelled. Will give you what? Plus 2. Therefore, equation of tangent in slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. So y minus pi by 2 into x minus pi by 4. Y minus pi by 2 is equal to 2x minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 will get cancelled, so 2x minus y is equal to 0. Since slope of tangent and pi by 4 comma pi by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, slope of normal and pi by 4 comma pi by 2 will be minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, equation of normal in slope point form is y minus y1 x minus 2 you multiply, so 2y minus pi minus x plus pi by 4. 4 you multiply, 8y minus 4y minus 4x plus pi. 4x plus 8y is equal to 5y.
Go ahead.
See next. X is sine theta and y is cos 2 theta. Theta is what? Pi by 6. When theta is pi by 6, x will be sine pi by 6 half and y will be cos pi by 3. 2 into pi by 6 is pi by 3. Cos 60 is what? Half. Therefore, point corresponds to half comma half. Since x is and y is cos 2 theta, therefore y is 1 minus 2 sine square theta, 1 minus 2 x square. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is what? 0 minus 4x so slope of tangent at half comma half is equal to dy by dx at half comma half, which is minus 4 into half minus 2. Therefore, equation of tangent in slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket y minus half minus 2 into y minus half is equal to minus 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2. So 2y minus 1 is equal to minus 4x plus 2. 4x plus 2y is equal to 3. Since slope of tangent is equal to minus 2, So slope of normal is what? 1/2. Equation of normal in slope point form is y minus half into x minus half. So 2y minus 1 is equal to x minus half. 4y minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 1. Therefore 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. X is root t and y is t minus 1/√t. When t is 4, x will be √4 and y will be 4 minus 1/√4, 4 minus 1/2, 8 minus 1, 7/2. So point is what? X is 2, y is 7/2. Also, x is √t and y is what? t minus 1/√t. T will be x squared minus 1/x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 1/. So slope of tangent at 2,7/2 is what? dy by dx at 2,7/2. So 2 into 2 is what? 4 plus 1/4. 16 plus 1, 17/4. Therefore, equation of tangent in slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket y minus y1 is what? 7/2. 17/4 into x minus x1 is what? 2. 4 you multiply, so 4y minus 14 is equal to 17x minus 34. So 17x minus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. This is normal. tangent. Since slope of tangent is what? 17/4. Therefore, slope of normal will be what? -4/17. Equation of normal in slope point form is y minus y1. M is what? -4/17 into x minus x1. 17 you multiply, so 17y minus 119/2 minus 4x plus 8. So 34y minus 8x plus 16. 8x plus 34y 135. This is equation of normal. Thank you very much. There is a great deal of ruin in a nation. Thank you.